Hello, we are here at the Miami International Boat Show on the scene at Aviara. Vincent Martone is with me today. Hi, Vincent.
Hi, everybody. I'm Vincent.
And Aviara is kind of new to the market. Can you talk a little bit about the growth and what people can expect from the brand?
Yeah, I'd love to. So exactly a year ago today at this show, we debuted a 32 in outboard and stern drive version. And in 1 year, we were actually able to come up with and develop and debut a 36 version. And then today, in about 3 minutes, we're going to debut the last in our Aviara lineup, the 40. So this 40 right here features two side folding terraces, Seakeeper 3, you guys, gyro stabilization.
Yes.
Most of our viewers know about that, and a cabin that sleeps 4.
Wow, that's really impressive. So when you talk about Aviara and the lineup that they have now, what are some of the key features about the brand?
So first and foremost, it's a luxury day boat. We do have some cabin capability in the 36 and the 40s, but that's not the focal point of the boat. Most people realize when they purchase a boat, if they have a big cabin, they don't really use it all that much, and they feel guilty about not using that. So that's what we're going after. And look at the lines. I mean, it is a super luxurious looking boat. It's nothing like anything else you'd see out here.
Right. I know it's made by Aviara on most social media platforms, right?
That's correct. Made by Aviara. It is manufactured by Mastercraft and offered exclusively through our company, MarineMax, as you know. And quite honestly, without MarineMax and Aviara, this never would have been possible to debut 3 new models in 1 year.
Yes, quite remarkable. You have to get down to the Miami International Boat Show to see the Aviara display and to see these models. If you cannot make it here in person, we have an online option, MarineMax.com/online boat show. We've got boat walkthrough videos. You can check all the specs. But we hope to see you in Miami, and if not, we'll see you out on the water. Thank you, Vincent.
You're welcome.